I don't know about you, but I could use a little dopamine right about now, so I want to show you something cool. This is the Youngstown Kitchen Jet Tower Junior Dishwasher. It's a functional miniature dishwasher that came out around 1951. How do you know it came out around 1951? Well, the item they used for size comparison might give it away a little. And of course, that's aside from the casual misogyny included with the text. It's the most novel, fun-packed toy for little girls in years. But it also does mention that the Youngstown Jet Tower Junior is an exact scale working miniature of the nationally famous Youngstown Kitchen's automatic dishwasher that has completely modernized dishwashing. So this is a scale model of a dishwasher that actually existed. I do also kind of appreciate that aside from the casual misogyny of it, the end says, yes, the Youngstown Jet Tower Junior dishwasher will provide many fun-filled hours for any little girl, and for many adults who are equally fascinated by this novel, real-life toy. And the back has operating and loading instructions. But wait, there's more! I don't just have the vintage paper, I have the dishwasher itself. It was sent to me by a follower of mine named Diane, who not only included all of the little dishes with it, but sent it to me in the original box. Now, I don't know exactly how accurate this is to the actual model of dishwasher it's supposed to be, but I can tell you how this one works. And of course, because it was the 50s, it's also known as the greatest helper a housewife ever had. No, really, they put it right on there. So from the little I know about the actual dishwasher this dishwasher was based on, they were generally built directly into a countertop. So I don't know if this one would have been standalone or if it would have been actually directly built into it, and you would load it and load it from the top. So it is a top-loading dishwasher. So you open it up and it has two different levels. On the first level, we've got teeny tiny teacups, glasses, and silverware. The silverware is actually in its own separate little basket that you can take out. And yes, it even has teeny tiny little forks, knives, and spoons. And then in the lower level, we've got little plates and pots and pans. And the way that this would all get cleaned is via the jet tower in the center. This is like a predecessor to the modern-day spray arms. The spine in the center has some holes along it that you can see. The hole for that center spine gets hooked up directly to a sink faucet, and then a separate drain hose gets hooked up to this one. So as water is pumping up through the center, it comes up through this spine, and through it is essentially this spray tower. It is really hard to see, but it's got a whole bunch of little holes in it. And my assumption would be, at least in the full-size model, is that those are at different angles. That way, as the water is pushing out of it, it's going to rotate. I could be wrong. That could be more advanced than what they were doing in the 50s, but that's the general idea of how dishwashers operate today, is water being pushed through small holes like that, creating pressure. But that's the general idea of how this would function. I myself have not yet tried this out, nor have I ever operated or even seen one of these dishwashers in person, so this is all just theoretical based on my appliance repair experience. But the good news is, in addition to all of the little dishes and all of the paper bits and sending it in the original box, Diane also sent the tubing, so let's try it out. Hello, you are currently in my sink, and we're about to hook the dishwasher up. So this end is supposed to hook up to the faucet. This end is supposed to hook up to the bottom of the dishwasher. This is the inlet tube. I only know that because it's a smaller diameter than the other one, which clearly lines up to the drain. And drain. Is this, which end goes here? Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna worry about the drain because it's in the sink. It can drain into the sink. I think I'll be okay. Okay, now this guy. There is no possible way this is not gonna leak, to be clear. I'm gonna move y'all so you can see what's actually happening. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, that's the best I can get it. You can see how tightly I am having to hold this onto the faucet to not have this pop off and spray absolutely everywhere. Unfortunately, it does not spin, but that's not all that surprising. It is a toy, but you can see how the water would come out of those jets, and that's how the dishes would get clean. I'm gonna go dry off now, but I hope you enjoyed this tour of my new mini dishwasher. Thank you again to Diane for sending it to me. It is very, very cool.